Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to add loyalty cards to Apple Wallet. So there are two main methods how to add loyalty cards. So the first option is through the retailer's official application, and the second method is using the QR code. So the first option, major retailers have their dedicated mobile application, for example Starbucks. So you want to go to App Store and download that retailer's official application, and of course you want to log in to your account. Then in that application you want to go to a section that will display your loyalty card. So it will look like this. You will see your loyalty card, and as well there will be the button that says Add to Apple Wallet. You have to press that button. Now you will see preview of your loyalty card, and now you want to tap Add button in the top right. And if you go to Wallet application, let's check, open Wallet, and now here you will see that I have successfully added my loyalty card to my wallet. Now the second option, when you use the QR code, this will be an option for you if you are, for example, at the checkout, or if, for example, you have a receipt, printed receipt, you want to scan the QR code. Let me go back to my loyalty card, and I will use my another phone. So let me quickly unlock it, and I want to go to my camera, and I want to scan this QR code. So I will do that, and this will redirect me to my preview of my loyalty card. And now I want to tap Add in the top right once again, and let's go to Wallet and check if there is this card. So yeah, here it is. That were the two main ways how you can add your loyalty card to Apple Wallet, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.